2026 Ferrari Motorhome. When you hear the word Ferrari, the first things that come to mind are speed, luxury, and Italian craftsmanship. But now, Ferrari has taken a bold step into a segment nobody ever imagined, combining their signature performance DNA with the comfort and lifestyle of a motorhome. This is more than just a vehicle. It's an experience on wheels, designed to give travelers the thrill of Ferrari engineering while offering the spaciousness of a luxury residence on the move. Let's dive deep into its design, features, performance, and pricing to see if this is truly the future of luxury travel. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome looks unlike anything else on the road. The design philosophy is clearly inspired by Ferrari's supercars, but reimagined in the form of a motorhome. The sleek aerodynamic body lines, aggressive front fascia, and signature Ferrari grille ensure that it still carries that iconic identity. At the front, you'll find sharp LED headlights with a futuristic design, while the bold red paint finish instantly reminds you of Ferrari's racing heritage. The body is built with lightweight carbon fiber, reinforced panels, reducing unnecessary weight without compromising durability. Even though it's a motorhome, Ferrari has paid attention to aerodynamics, incorporating sculpted side panels, a sloping roofline, and even air intakes that serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. The massive wheels are inspired by Ferrari's racing alloys, featuring lightweight forged rims with a glossy black finish, and performance tires that look far sportier than what you would normally expect on a motorhome. To give it that road-dominating presence, the rear features a stylish LED light bar running across the width, along with quad exhaust tips that remind you this isn't just a luxurious home on wheels, but a machine built with Ferrari performance roots. The motorhome is available in multiple iconic Ferrari colors, such as Rosso Corsa Red, Gilo Modena Yellow, and Nero Daytona Black, so owners can truly express their personality. From every angle, this vehicle screams exclusivity, turning heads no matter where it goes. Moving inside, Ferrari has redefined what a motorhome interior can look like. The cabin is a blend of Italian craftsmanship, luxury, and high-tech innovation. Step inside and you are welcomed with premium leather upholstery in classic Ferrari colors with red stitching, Alcantara accents, and carbon fiber trim elements. The driver's cockpit looks like it has been borrowed directly from a Ferrari supercar, featuring a digital instrument cluster, flat-bottom steering wheel with Ferrari's signature controls, and a large infotainment system that integrates with the entire motorhome's features. The lounge area is designed with maximum comfort in mind, with reclining seats that double as massage chairs, ambient LED lighting customizable in multiple colors, and panoramic windows that bring in natural light while giving passengers breathtaking views during travel. Ferrari has also included a smart living system where owners can control temperature, lighting, and entertainment through voice commands or the central touchscreen system. The kitchen area is compact yet luxurious, featuring Italian marble countertops, induction cooking surfaces, a built-in refrigerator, and even a wine cooler for those long road trips where fine dining on the go is essential. Moving further back, you'll find the master bedroom, which feels like a 5-star hotel suite. The bed is king-sized with memory foam technology, while the walls are lined with soundproofing materials for absolute peace. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, designer fixtures, and high-end finishes that make you forget you're inside a moving vehicle. Every corner of this motorhome is thoughtfully designed for convenience. There are hidden storage spaces, foldable furniture options, and advanced air purification systems to ensure a premium lifestyle, no matter where the road takes you. Ferrari has successfully turned the concept of a motorhome into something far more luxurious and futuristic, without losing its sporty soul. When it comes to performance, this is where the Ferrari Motorhome truly shocks the world. Unlike traditional motorhomes, which are heavy and sluggish, Ferrari has equipped this vehicle with a hybrid powertrain. It combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with electric motors, producing an incredible 800 horsepower. This allows the motorhome to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just under 5 seconds, which is absolutely unheard of in this category. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 mph, ensuring safety but still giving drivers the thrill of Ferrari power on highways. Handling is another area where Ferrari has applied its racing expertise. The motorhome features adaptive suspension, active aerodynamics, and all-wheel drive for maximum grip and stability. Even though it's a large vehicle, the precision steering makes it surprisingly agile, giving drivers confidence whether on open highways or winding mountain roads. The hybrid system also ensures better fuel efficiency compared to traditional gas-powered motorhomes, and it comes with regenerative braking to recharge the battery while driving. Ferrari has also focused on advanced technology, equipping the motorhome with Level 3 autonomous driving features, multiple driving modes including Comfort, Sport, and Eco, and a state-of-the-art navigation system designed specifically for long-distance travel. Safety is top priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to make maneuvering this large vehicle easier than ever. Now let's talk about pricing. As expected, the Ferrari Motorhome doesn't come cheap. With its luxury features, cutting-edge technology, and Ferrari's iconic performance DNA, the starting price is estimated at around $1.5 million, with customization options that can push it well beyond $2 million. Ferrari will be offering a limited production run, making it a highly exclusive collector's item for enthusiasts who want both luxury living and supercar performance in one package. In conclusion, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution. It combines the comfort of a high-end residence with the thrill of Ferrari engineering, making it unlike anything the world has seen before. From its aggressive exterior to its luxurious interior, from its jaw-dropping performance to its elite exclusivity, this motorhome represents the pinnacle of what happens when passion meets innovation. Ferrari has once again proven that they are not afraid to break boundaries and redefine entire categories. So that's our detailed review of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Would you buy this ultimate luxury machine if you had the chance? 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Cadillac has always been known for its style, comfort, and prestige in the automotive industry, and now the brand has entered the motorhome space with a vehicle that brings all the elegance of a Cadillac sedan combined with the freedom of a luxury home on wheels. This is not just a motorhome. It is a rolling palace designed for those who want nothing but the very best while traveling. Let's dive deep into the details and see what makes this Cadillac Motorhome stand out from the rest. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome instantly turns heads wherever it goes. Cadillac has infused its signature design language with sleek aerodynamic lines, a bold front grille with the iconic crest, and futuristic LED lighting that stretches across the width of the vehicle. The large panoramic windshield provides a commanding view of the road while giving the vehicle a very modern and futuristic face. The chrome accents, sculpted body panels, and flush-mounted door handles give it that extra premium touch that you would expect from a Cadillac. Massive alloy wheels, adaptive air suspension, and a low smooth stance make this motorhome look as elegant as it is powerful. Cadillac has also worked on making this RV highly aerodynamic despite its size, reducing drag and improving efficiency. On the sides, you will notice extendable slide-outs that expand the interior space once parked, transforming the motorhome into a full-sized luxury suite. The rear has a striking design with futuristic taillights, dual exhaust outlets, and a high-mounted camera system for easy maneuvering. Every detail of the exterior has been designed to make this motorhome look like a luxury yacht on wheels. Moving to the interior, this is where the Cadillac Motorhome truly shines. Stepping inside feels like entering a 5-star hotel. Cadillac has used the finest materials including real wood trims, brushed aluminum, and premium leather upholstery. The spacious cabin is flooded with natural light thanks to the panoramic windows and skylight ceiling. The living area is designed with lounge-style seating that can easily be converted into sleeping quarters, and the soft ambient lighting adds to the relaxing atmosphere. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances like a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and even a wine cooler. The cabinetry is finished in high-gloss wood with soft close drawers, giving a premium feel every time you touch it. The dining and lounge area seamlessly transition into a full entertainment space with a massive OLED smart TV, surround sound speakers, and smart connectivity features. Moving towards the rear, you'll find the master suite, which feels like a luxury hotel room. It comes with a king-sized bed, memory foam mattress, high-quality linens, and ample storage with walk-in closet space. The ensuite bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, heated flooring, dual sinks, and premium finishes everywhere you look. Every detail has been thought out to maximize comfort during long journeys. In terms of technology, Cadillac has packed this motorhome with cutting-edge features. A fully digital cockpit gives the driver access to navigation, adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and AI-based route planning that suggests the best paths for large vehicles. There's also a heads-up display, night vision assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this giant surprisingly easy. Passengers can control lighting, temperature, and entertainment through voice commands or the integrated Cadillac Smart app. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome comes with a powerful hybrid drivetrain that combines a V engine with electric motors, producing over 650 horsepower. This ensures smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. The hybrid system also improves fuel efficiency, giving this luxury motorhome a respectable range for long trips. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride on highways, as well as stability when parked. It even has an optional all-wheel drive system for those who want to take it beyond the paved roads. The advanced braking system, along with multiple drive modes, makes it as easy to handle as possible given its size. And now the big question: what about the price? Cadillac is positioning this motorhome as a premium offering in the luxury RV segment. The starting price is expected to be around $600,000, but with added customizations, high-end packages, and bespoke interior designs, the cost can easily exceed $1 million. For buyers in this category, it's not just about owning a vehicle, it's about owning a statement of luxury, freedom, and exclusivity. So that wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. It's an ultimate blend of performance, technology, and unmatched luxury, offering the perfect home away from home for those who demand the very best. If you're someone who wants to travel the world without compromising on comfort and prestige, then this Cadillac Motorhome is a dream come true. Wait,